There are about 18 bomb blasts which have been committed either by RSS or by the institutions associated with RSS. The accused involved are the office bearers of district level or state level of RSS, Sangha Pracharaks, and in all these cases, one Raghuvanshi, who was then ATS chief of Maharashtra, involved only Muslim boys in those cases, and he did not touch Hindu people, Hindu accused. It is only Karkare, who was very upright officer and who has done miracle, who found out that the cases in which Muslim boys are involved are false. In fact, Colonel Purohit, Pradnya Thakur Sharma and others, even one Asimanand, you are not bound to give confession. Even thereafter, Asimanand Dev confessed that I cannot see the torture under which these Muslim boys are going. And therefore he gave statement and he said, when Vajpayee or Advani, they don't dare to tell me anything, why should I give false evidence against these Muslim boys? And therefore, he has given evidence against all these accused and confession. When he was warned, he was not bound to give. And that confession is now, they say that was taken under pressure. If you see the record of confession, he was given opportunity thrice to rethink. And thereafter he gave confession and saying that even Advani Vajpayee cannot stop me, why magistrate should stop me? So they were involved, there is no doubt, but all criminals have come to power. You know that Chief Justice of India said, if opportunity is given, I will hang Modi. Now when Modi is in power, who is going to give decision or justice to these people?